Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock or how you can unlock a Weiser SmartCode Lock using the keypad, the user code and the physical key as well. So first of all, before using the lock electronically, you need to make sure that the last one user code has been programmed. So without a valid user code, the keypad won't be able to unlock the door. So in order to basically lock the door first, you need to simply press this particular lock button on the keypad. You don't need to enter a code when locking the door. When the lock activates successfully, the deadbolt will extend and the keypad will also flash amber, and you are also going to hear a confirmation beep. Now, if your model has an auto lock enabled feature, the door may lock automatically after a preset delay without pressing the lock button. Now, if you want to unlock the door, this time you need to enter the user code first. After that, once you enter the user code, the deadbolt will retract automatically and the keypad will flash green and typically provide you two confirmation beeps indicating a successful unlock. Now, in order to basically lock or unlock it with the help of the key, that is also very easy. As you can see over here on this particular lock, we have this particular keyhole available. So most of the Weiser smart code models also include the smart key cylinder. So if the batteries are dead or if you prefer the traditional method, you just have to simply insert the key into this particular keyhole, and then you need to turn it manually in order to lock or unlock the door. Now you can also lock or unlock it from the inside. So the interior side of the lock, you will find the turn piece. So you can rotate that turn piece in one direction in order to lock the door and in the opposite direction in order to basically unlock it. So this method also works even if the batteries are removed from the lock. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.